projections. Niggas like next year, Tory. It's all good, you'll be next year's story. Then I'm like, man, you don't even understand, dog. I'm dropping out now, waiting next year for me. So I left. Bus route to the bench down 53. Took the last dollar that I had for this dream, and I spent it on some 99 cents Mickey D's. Shit wasn't doing too fine. Then I made a call to this nigga named Rhymes. Said he had a little studio and it wasn't top notch, but the damn near do the whole nine. So I said, cool. Made a few songs in the shit. Stayed too long in the shit. By the month, man, I was there so much. Niggas had to lay futons in this shit. Owe it to my Aunt Suzanne. Drove to my first shows in a new Jetta. Always told me one day I would be the man. I would just laugh like, who are you telling me? I'ma go far. I can still dream in this world full of stars. I can still scheme in this world full of dogs. If they can still scheme in them unmarked cars. So I'ma dream, dream like you said to me. Best words that was said to me. Best words that was said to me. It's a big world. The bigger you dream, the bigger you're living it, all in your mind. Don't let nobody fuck up your heart. Sing this with me. It's a big world. The bigger you dream, the bigger